This is how to fold your photo book. So you should have your printouts. You're gonna need an X-Acto or ruler, and that's about it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna use the ruler to keep your line straight. You're gonna cut the middle two down the center like this, and make sure you're cutting over a magazine or a cutting board. So that center has that cut on those middle two pictures. Then you're gonna fold it in half one way, and then try to make it as straight as possible. So I'm lining it up, and then press, and then I'm going to keep folding it along all the lines of where my pictures are. So I'm going to fold it back and forth. So I'm going to fold it the other way, halfway. And then if it's a little off like mine is, it's fine. And then the other way. So what I'm doing is I'm making creases along each of the photos. So I'm going to keep folding it in half back and forth, and you want to fold it both ways on each of the lines. So at the end it'll bend easy. So I'm folding that bottom towards that middle crease. And then towards the middle crease. And again, take your time. And then I'm going to fold it the other way. So now I'm on the picture side, I'm going to fold it to the middle. So I want each of those creases to be kind of flexible. So I'm folding it back and forth, like I said, each way. So front ways, back ways. Okay, and then I need that. I'm going to redo that line. I just got to make sure you just fold all your creases really good. Then I'm going to pull it from the center. So you can see I'm going to pull it from the center and push it out. And then line it up, and then I have my little book. So this is also a good way to create a zine. But there you go. So if you need help, just ask. Once you do it a couple times, you kind of figure it out. And then just try to make sure your corners are lined up. And then you have your nice little photo book. Good job.